Welcome and thank you for joining us. Let's have a short look at how a portfolio resource dashboard can help you in looking at different elements of your resource profile for your entire portfolio. So first of all, the resource report we're going to take a quick look at is an accumulation of the resource profile for all the projects in this particular portfolio, which if I scroll down here, you can see it's a number of projects, and you could do this for an even bigger collection of projects in a portfolio. So if I go to the report, now this particular report is your resource allocation dashboard. Now, what good, useful information can I get from here? I can get a lot of information, very, very useful, very easy to read, very easy to digest. And don't forget, this is accumulating all the information off of the projects in the entire portfolio. So the snapshots have been created. We're looking at the November snapshot, but there is some others that have been created, and as time goes on, of course, you create new ones as required as you go along. Now, you may be looking at these thinking, okay, it does give me some roll-up information, but there's some other things to be aware of here as well. So I've got pipeline crew showing right now. So I have a particular project that I'm interested in, Facility 2B. I know this resource is required on this project, but where it falls in this particular profile, I need to find out. Well, I can just click on that project, and it shows me which part of the profile belongs to that project. Now, by the same token, of course, you can see that our list of projects and the activities that resource is assigned to in the bottom right corner changes. So I can do multiples as well. So if I wanted to see, okay, I know where this particular project fits in the profile, but what about some of these others? I can go through and start selecting projects. Now, I'm not suggesting you would do this every time, but I find it very handy to be able to, in a very large group of projects, highlight and know instantly, and this now I'm into an overload, so depending on what projects are higher priority, you can get a very good look at what is your profile going to look like if you decide to move some of these projects out a little bit, that type of scenario. This can start the conversation along the way. So I can actually deal with the availability I have in this March to July, basically, above May here. I've got sufficient pipeline crew to cover off at least these projects. Well, we'll find out in a minute that I can actually cover off a few more. But you'll notice as I'm selecting them, it's telling you, bottom right again, exactly what projects and activities this resource is assigned to. Now, if I want to go ahead and select a few more, I can definitely do that. So you can get a look at where do these particular projects fall in the different scenario here. So depending what you're highlighting, it's going to show you in both pieces, top and bottom, on the right hand side. Now, you also have overallocated hours in the top left. Now, bottom left, if I just click in there again, it will bring back all the information. Now, I also can change time scale, but I can also go and pick whatever resource I need in here. So if there was another resource you needed to walk through, you can definitely do that as well. So what I want you to be aware of is, of course, the resource allocation dashboard is not just a dashboard showing you fixed pieces of information. It's interactive. So there's a lot of pieces you can get a hold of by clicking and selecting what you want to look at, and it responds not only in the portlet or the quadrant of the dashboard that you're in, but it's connected to the rest of the dashboard. So if you're interested in delving into a few more of the reports, or you have any questions at all, or you want more information on P6-Reporter, please don't hesitate to reach out to us. We're happy to address any and all questions you might have. Donna's information is on the screen for the Philippines office, and my information is on the screen for the Alberta office. So please don't hesitate to contact us. Thank you so much.